Now let's do Gomukhasana. In this asana, your both legs shape will look like a mouth of a cow. That is what is called a cow face pose. To do this, cross your right leg over the left leg. Now, right leg knee over the left leg knee. Both legs of the knee should be on the top of each other. Now, as our right leg is on the top, we will take the right hand upward, straight it, and bend the elbow. Now, as our left leg is down, so take a left leg, repeat. So take a left hand at the back, clutch both hands at the back, and stop here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release, relax your both hands, relax your legs.